Loneliness doesn't kill anyone, but the fear of being alone kills a person. Loneliness is not an empty word, it has many meanings. Meaning of memories, meaning of fantasies, meaning of disconnection, etc. We just need to understand the story inside it. So, what is loneliness? Loneliness does not reflect how many friends and family members one has by his side, how connected he feels internally. No human form is complete. Therefore, incompleteness in human form sometimes leads to loneliness. This incompleteness may be the cause of sexual loneliness or emotional loneliness. Sometimes, a person suffering from loneliness may get into some bad company to get rid of loneliness. He may start taking bad things or start doing bad things. A person suffering from loneliness cannot make healthy thoughts or decisions in a healthy mental state. So, how to deal with loneliness? The chapter of loneliness is attachment, not necessarily attachment to a person. It may be related to an idea, may be related to nature, or may relate mainly to itself. As Aristotle says, that knowing oneself is the beginning of all knowledge. So start your hobby. Try to be busy with it. One should only do what he likes the most, but remember that the work he does is positive and constructive. Again, one should start working only for his happiness. Because a sad person always meets a sad person, like an alcoholic always meets another alcoholic. Only one gambler gets another gambler. Because energy creates energy. So find friends with similar interests in all possible media. Social media can play an important role in this. Apart from this, people with super perfection are more prone to loneliness. Therefore, one must learn to accept whatever is happening around him. But before that, we should make friends with ourselves. We must pay attention. Memories and fantasies cause emotional disconnection, social disconnection. People are wasting energy, searching outside the world, while everything is within themselves. Everything is within us. We are the creators, according to Avgod Shivanandaji in Shiv Yoga. We are the creators of our own destiny. Must believe in yourself. We should be free in everything for our own happiness. If we are dependent on someone, then we will start having expectations from him. And if we do not get him, then we will be sad. So believe in yourself and your work. If we believe in ourselves, we will believe in everything. Thousands of people were coming to the paddy field to pray for rain, but only one who was coming with an umbrella. Such is their belief. Faith in his prayer, his faith. After all, the best cure for loneliness, if you never learned to be alone, then you will always feel lonely. Thus, the wider meaning of loneliness will be missed.